Hello all, welcome to Aperture Diary. Wish you a very happy new year. In our previous video, we have learnt about smart object. You can check this video in I button. I would suggest before continuing this video, please check the smart object video once. That will help you to understand. Today we will see how we can put and blend any picture into any surface. So let me start. Here we are using this image as a surface. You can use any other image. First, we need to create a duplicate of the background layer by pressing Ctrl and J from keyboard. So let me Ctrl J. The duplicate layer has been created. Or we can unlock the background layer and use the same layer for blending purpose. Now you just need to change the color to black and white. So how you can do that? You just need to go the adjustment icon over here, click black and white. Or you can use a different method. So let me uncheck this, select this layer, then go to image, adjustment, black and white. Don't need to change any value over here, just click OK. So that will create a black and white layer. Let me delete this one, it's not required as we have already created a different black and white layer. So now we want to add some blur on this picture. So let me do that. So select that layer, black and white layer, then go to filter, blur. We need to add some Gaussian blur. Okay, so you need to add the blur just at the time when you see the texture gone. Okay, so let me increase it. So you can see all the texture has gone. Click OK. Now you need to save this picture as a PSD. Keep it in mind, you need the original JPEG picture, that surface one. So you need to save as to a different name. So let me do that. File, save as. Don't do save because it will override the original one. So make always save as, and the save type will be PSD format. Without PSD format, it won't possible. So let me give a different name, surface blur. Let me save. Now you can close it. Now you need to again open the original surface picture. So that is the original picture. Now we will use displace and blending method. Okay, so how we can do that? So let me add one picture which I want to blend. So let me open it. So that is the picture which I want to blend. How we can do that? We can directly copy from here and paste. But we can resize it, but the problem is that is a rasterized layer. If I resize it, it will decrease its quality. So what can I do? We can directly change it to or convert it to smart object. And how we can do that? Just right click over the layer and convert to smart object. There is a easiest way also. So I will tell you. So now you can reduce the size. Let me resize it. Now if you resize anything, like if you resize this picture, it won't reduce the quality. So that is the correct position. So that is a time consuming technique. So I would request you to follow the second step, let me delete that one. You can directly go to your local where the existing image present. So in my case, it's present under this folder. Just simply drag and drop here. If you drag and drop, it will automatically create a smart object. Let me show you. Let me resize it. Now click outside, it will automatically convert to smart object. How you can understand it's a smart object? You will get this icon below. So it's a smart object. Now you can easily resize it as per the requirement. I think that is the good size. Okay. Now we need to use distort and displace method. So to do that, we need to select that layer. Now go to filter, go to distort and displace. These two values you need to work on. You don't need to touch anything or don't need to change anything from here, like displacement map and undefined area. Don't need to touch anything. Just you need to play with the value of horizontal scale and vertical scale. Keep in mind the value should be in between 10 and 20. So let me keep 12. You can easily change the value later as it's a smart object, so you can easily change it later. So let me click OK. Okay, when you click OK, then it will open a new window. It will ask you to select the PSD file which you previously created. So in this case, we have created this one, surface blur. So let me select it, open. There is a little bit bend over here. You can see. Okay. Now we need to blend this image with the background image. How we can do that? You need to open a blending option. Two ways you can open blending option. First way, you can double click over here. It will open a dialog box. Here you will get the blending option. And another way is right click over here. Go to blending option. It will open the same window. Here you don't need to change anything. You don't need to change blending option, advanced blending. You just need to play with this layer, that underlying layer. What you have to do? You just need to slowly move the slider to your right. When this black color appear, you just need to hold Alt key from your keyboard and break this slider. You can see the blending has been completed. Now, because it's a smart object, you can easily change the picture and you can change the displace according to your need. So let me show you. So to change the picture, what you need to do, you just need to click that icon. Okay, let me show you again how you can do that. If you click here, it will open a blending option, but if you click that small icon, that will open a new tab with this image. So what we have to do, we just bring some other image. Let me click this one and paste it over here. It's also a smart object, so you can easily change it because we drag and drop this. Yeah, now you can this one. Now save it, Control S. Let me Control save it. Okay, it's getting, yeah, you can see it's getting blend, but there is some distortion over here, so we need to change it. So how you can change it? Go to displace. 12 is fine. Let me change the blending over here. Yeah, it's there. It looks good. If you want more blend, then you can change the display. Let me put 14. Same, you need to choose that PSD file and it will put some extra bumpiness on your picture. The same way you can put any other picture. So let me add another picture. Let me put this one. It's also a smart object. We can easily resize it. Yeah, it's there. Let me delete the next layer and Control S. Yeah, it's already there. So it looks already fine. We don't need to change any displace. I don't think it's required. If you want, you can change the blending option. Let me check. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. So that way you can blend any picture to any of the surfaces. Hope you like this video. Please share this video to your friends and family who wanted to learn Photoshop. Please do subscribe and like this video. See you with some new content. Till then, keep learning and once again, Happy New Year.